Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a beauty box unboxing. I don't know why I said it like that. Unboxing. I was lucky enough to win one of the Tribe beauty boxes because they have just launched in the UK. Well, they launched in December. I'm part of a Facebook makeup group. You've probably heard of it. It's called UKMA, which is UK Makeup Addicts, although you can join if you're not in the UK. I did a competition and you could win a box and I was lucky enough to win. Now I did get my box before Christmas, but because it's been Christmas, it's been New Year, everything's just been a bit crazy, I've only just now been able to get to it, but I have not opened it just to show you that it is still all sealed, so I thought I'd unbox it here. So it is based in the United States. It's $35 for the box and $15 for shipping if you bought it yourself, which, depending on the exchange rate, is about £40. You don't get any customs. I got this delivered from the Royal Mail, no issues whatsoever. So I think in that £15 shipping is, you know, the tax and stuff. So that is really exciting. So I'm gonna jump right into the unboxing. That is the box. It's jam-packed. That's really cool. Right, so the first thing you get, oh, it's the balm for this blush. Oh, that's beautiful. So it's a nice pink blush by the balm. So that's not going to be, that's going to be about £15 straight away. The next one that you get, and from what I've seen on the website, you get, let me read it to you again because I've got the memory of a sieve. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, let's have a look. A face product, a skin prep product, an eye product, a lip product and a tool. And it's full size, 5 full size items, and it says on here that they're worth $100, so let's get on with it. Right, so this is by Koki Professional, and it's a Transformix Foundation Mixer Dewy. This weightless makeup mixer instantly changes foundation to a radiant dewy finish without compromising the quality, wear or colour of your foundation. Hey, nice one. The next thing you get is a Wonder Beauty Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow. I've never heard of Wonder Beauty. I like the fact that everything is sealed. I do think the US seal their products better than the UK, because like everything is sealed. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like a mauvey purple. It's called Lilac Luster. So that's really, really pretty. So it's pretty much like the Colourpop ones and the Stila ones, like the glow ones. So yeah, that's really cool. Also get, oh, it's called Sister Professional and it's a black liner. Now I'm not going to open that because a liquid liner is a liquid liner. We got a Xobeauty Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. I really wish it had been one of those the Xobeauty, oh, what are they called? Water-based liner things. I really want to try them. Ooh, that's a beautiful colour. So this is in Besharam. I'm not even going to try and butcher that, but yeah, you get that in a gorgeous red. That is beautiful. I feel like I'm really rusty at these. You get a Bella Pierre Cosmetic Glowing Palette. Ooh, it's a highlighter palette. So it just looks like that. She is pretty. So you've got pink, you've got an orange, you've got a bronze, a gold. Oh, they are stunning. Oh, I'm so excited about that. And it's got a little mirror on it. And you get a red beauty blender. How bloody awesome is that? I think that's like a Christmas thing. Let me have a look. Alright, yeah, so because this is the December box, you do get 6 items and you get the beauty blender. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so you get 6 items in the December box and you get the beauty blender. So if you do want this, you can still buy the December box now. It is so worth it for this. A lot of this stuff you can't get in the UK as well, so it is worth it just for that. And I'm pretty sure if you sign up, they do like an email alert, they do send you like a welcome code. I'm pretty sure I got one, but I've deleted the email. So that is the box, guys. I'm really happy with that box. I mean, for the beauty blender alone, I love my beauty blenders as well. And it's a red one. I've not got a red one before. So yeah, I think it's a really cracking box. If you are interested in it, I will leave all the details down below. But if you do want your own box, go check them out. You know, 6 products and a beauty blender, well, basically 7 products for $35 is worth it. So 40 quid delivered straight to your door. It's a no-brainer really, and especially because a lot of these are American brands. So, well, I think they're all American brands, but there's a lot of them that you can't get in the UK, so I think it is worth it. That is everything. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favourite product is out of this box, and if you'd like to see me use any in a tutorial, just let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.